Hi, I'm Inge Theron, founder of FaceGym. We're all about high-performance skincare and a total workout for your face. Today, I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks to sculpt, lift, and brighten your face. Real people, real results. That's what FaceGym is all about. Come on, Sephora, let's get started. We're going to use our amazing FaceGym face ball. I like using it to open up my lymphatic system, which means I can activate that detox. So take the ball, place it on the sternum, keep a light pressure, work towards the armpit, and do 3 light pulses. Let's repeat on the other side. We're gonna warm up and cleanse the face using our amazing ELECTRO-LITE cleanser. I love this formula. It's a gel to foam, and as you squeeze it out, you'll see thousands of oxygenated bubbles. So just add some water, rub together, and boom. Place it on the forehead, chin down the side, and don't forget your neck. We're going to start with knuckling. This is brilliant for your circulation. As you work up the face with medium pressure, spin your knuckle to the side and start knuckling out towards your ears. You can also use your knuckle to lightly drain around your eyes already. And don't forget your forehead. If you want a little more glide, you can always use a bit more water. Just gives you this lovely slip. Okay, one more time. Down the face, down the neck. Brilliant, you're doing great, Sephora. Let's start now with our nasal sweeps. Place your fingers on either side of the nose. And with medium pressure, do circular motion. This is really good to depuff you in the morning. Take a wet cloth and remove any excess cleanser. We're gonna use the ball to tone, lift, and sculpt, giving you guys these lovely cheekbones and lifting that brow. So take your ball, place it on your forehead, medium pressure. Let's roll towards the ear. And then we roll around the eye. You should feel a lovely release under the eye. Out towards the ear. Keep rolling down underneath the cheek. You can hold it there to the count of 3. Let's do that one more time for that really lovely cheekbone sculpt. Keep going down. We want that lovely jaw sculpt there too, to the back of the ear, and then gentle pressure down. And then repeat that on the other side. Guys, I'm gonna give you one of my Inge Pro tips. Before a big night out, when I feel like I need a little bit of an eye lift, I use this ball. So, place it at the beginning of the brow, medium to firm pressure, push down and pull up, and hold for 3, roll into the middle, hold for 3, and then push it down to the side, and hold for 3. Can you just see how it's elevating? That eye area totally opens it up and it gives you a much bigger canvas for your palette. Okay, and just repeat. Look at that lift. Introducing Face Coach. This is a delicious enzymatically activated oil which absorbs beautifully. It also contains MASTIC tree extract, which is literally the tree of youth. It rejuvenates your skin cells. It's got Q10, which is a brilliant antioxidant, and plankton, which helps to stimulate collagen and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So using the Face Coach oil, I like using a pipette full. Don't forget the neck. I love using the oil to sculpt around the cheek and the lower jaw. So let's meet with our claw on either side of the nose and sculpt. If you feel like you want to get a little bit deeper, you can also do it one at a time. Pull your nose slightly to the side and just get in there. Take your time and scissor around the edge. Towards the ear. Can you see that lovely lift? And one last time. There you go. And then just hold it on the last. And then let's repeat it on the other side. Next up, I'm gonna teach you, using our Face Coach oil, some great tips. I'm gonna give you a 3-way jaw sculpt. Are you ready? Let's go. So first up, we're going to use our index and our thumb. Place your thumb underneath your jaw, medium to firm pressure. With your other hand holding the rest of your cheeks tight, just scoop towards the ear. Let's do that 3 times. You should definitely be able to feel that. Then, using your claw, put your knuckle underneath with firm pressure and claw towards your ear. If you feel some crunchies, which we all have, take a minute here to actually iron out some of that tension. And now for my really pro tip. Using facial massage is brilliant, but resistance training is also excellent around this area. Let's go. I call this cheek burpees. Take the heel of your hand, place it firmly on the side of your face, breathing in through your nose and out to the other side. It's really going to work the zygomaticus and the masseter muscle around this, giving you that lovely definition. Ready? Let's go. Do that 10 times and repeat on the other side. Don't be nervous. You always have a stronger side on one side, so with some practice, they'll even up. For those of you who want to take your facial fitness to the next level, may I introduce you to your new best friend, the FaceGym MULTI-SCULPT. It's got 6 edges to help you lift and contour. It's also brilliant for lymphatic drainage and helps to release tension in those hard to reach places. It also irons out fine lines and wrinkles. And a really good pro tip, run it under some ice cold water or leave it in the fridge overnight. And it really helps to soothe underneath the eye and drain any puffiness that would have built up overnight. So let's finish off the workout with our Supreme Cream. This firming, collagen boosting cream is like a cocoon for the skin. It's clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles in just 14 days. It's also got hyaluronic acid, bioferment, and microalgae. It's a complete moisture drench. Brilliant for the mornings or the evenings. Your skin will thank you for it. So let's crack open this wonderful firming collagen boosting cream. You don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. Let's place it on the neck, the cheeks, the forehead and the jaw. And then create L shape with your fingers. Breathe in and do those prayer sweeps. This is like Shavasana. Let's do it again. Thank yourself for showing up today. All you need is 5 minutes and you'll start seeing wonderful results. Breathe in. And for more of my tips and tricks, head to Sephora.com and pick up your 14-day challenge kit.